Welcome to this how-to video where I'll be walking you through the basic setup of the H7507 router table extension wing. Let's get started with the install, and a quick note. For clarity purposes, I've actually removed the extension wing from this G1023 RLW table saw, and I've set it up on the workbench upside down. The table and mounting hardware are designed to house a wide range of router base plates. Just make sure that the thickness of the plate is from 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch thick. Most newer routers feature bases with varying thicknesses, and that's okay. It'll be covered here in a moment. Start by having the correct wrenches on hand to properly tighten the hardware. Then unpack the included hold downs. The hold downs feature a Z-shaped clamp, a hold down knob, and adjustment bolt with jam nut. Loosen the hold down knob and adjustment bolt and insert the T-nut into the T-slot of the table. Position 3 of these hold downs to start. Remove the router motor from the housing and remove the base plate if your router features one. At this point, it's important to ensure that the router base is oriented properly for easy access to the router's on-off switch when it's mounted to the underside of the table. Position the housing over the center of the table insert, paying close attention when centering the insert with the housing. Slide the hold downs into position and verify they're in the best possible T-slot to hold the router. Reposition the hold downs for the best possible leverage. A few quick notes regarding the hold downs. For thicker bases, you'll want to keep the jam nut in the position tight to the hex head of the bolt. For bases thinner than 1/2 inch, remove the bolt and position the jam nut on the opposite side. Another thing to remember as we begin tightening these down is to avoid tightening the adjustment bolt over the edge of the T-slot, as this can cause the edge to break from the pressure. One final note here is to always ensure that you have a minimum of 3 hold down clamps placed on the flat surfaces of your router base, with 4 being optimal. With the 3 hold downs in place and tightened down pretty well, position the 4th, as you can see here, as we'll need to reposition the jam nut for the thinner part of the base and then reinstall it. Recheck that the base is not shifted from the dead center of the insert, then tighten the hold downs. The idea with the hold down is to allow the hold down knob to apply the bulk of pressure but not touch the underside of the table, but rather to be elevated by the adjustment bolt. Use a wrench to tighten the hold down knob, then the adjustment bolt. When the fixture is locked in, tighten the jam nut. With the base installed, you can now insert your router. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your H7507 router table extension wing. And please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more how-to videos like this. Oh, and that video right there. That's another good one.